Hello, everybody. Welcome to Learn Languages YouTube channel. Boost your English vocabulary with 10 essential words every day. Day 8, let's get started. Number 1, candid. It means being open, honest, and straightforward. Here are 2 examples. 1, she gave a candid answer about her experience. 2, his candid comments helped improve the project. Number 2, audacious. It means showing a willingness to take bold risks. Daring. Here are 2 examples. 1, the audacious plan surprised everyone in the meeting. 2, he made an audacious move to start his own company. Number 3, serene. It means calm, peaceful, and untroubled. Here are 2 examples. 1, the lake looked serene in the early morning light. 2, her serene attitude helped calm the entire team. Number 4, ingenious. It means clever, original, and inventive. Here are 2 examples. 1, the student designed an ingenious solution to the problem. 2, that's an ingenious way to save energy. Number 5, tedious. It means too long, slow, or boring. Here are 2 examples. 1, copying hundreds of pages was a tedious job. 2, the lecture was so tedious that many students fell asleep. Number 6, subtle. It means delicate or not obvious, difficult to notice. Here are 2 examples. 1, there was a subtle change in her tone of voice. 2, the artist used subtle colors to create a soft effect. Number 7, witty. It means showing quick and inventive verbal humor. Here are 2 examples. 1, the comedian is known for his witty jokes. 2, she gave a witty reply that made everyone laugh. Number 8, skeptical. It means having doubts or not easily convinced. Here are 2 examples. 1, he was skeptical about the success of the new plan. 2, the scientist remained skeptical until more data was collected. Number 9, sturdy. It means strong and solidly built. Here are 2 examples. 1, this table is sturdy enough to hold heavy equipment. 2, the hikers relied on sturdy boots for the rough terrain. Number 10, vivacious. It means attractively lively and energetic. Here are 2 examples. 1, her vivacious personality lights up every room. 2, the actor's vivacious performance captivated the audience. Now let's do a quick recap. Candid, audacious, serene, ingenious, tedious, subtle, witty, skeptical, sturdy, and vivacious. Okay, which word was your favorite? Comment below and try to use it in a sentence today. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.